We're in the Loop Lounge and we'd like to say a special thank you to our sponsors, Standard Distributors, Holiday Snacks, and Vita Coco.
Loop TT, we're here at Wasserfett and you're in the Loop with Destra. Destra, how are you?
I'm great, I'm great. I'm good.
Just came off the stage. Yes. How was the performance?
It was awesome. I mean, Wasserfett is always a fete with real vibes. The Sour crew was here because my dad is from Sour, so I always have the Sour crew. But you know, this kind of vibe does really start the energy at the carnival.
Yeah, there's the kind of groundation kind of fete.
Yeah, I like that word. That's a mad word.
That's a word. That
groundation.
Word. That Rasta man word, you know.
Yeah, man, I like that. I go and thief that and use it.
Nah, you can't thief that. That's the Rasta man word.
I thief in it. Yo, who gonna stop me? Really?
The Queen of Bacchanal. Talk to me about the concert now.
Well, concert, O2 Park, 11th of February. You know, House of Bacchanal. Basically, it's just, you know, my house. When I say my house, I'm the Queen of Bacchanal, my band is Bacchanal, and we're saying come to the House of Bacchanal. Come and see Destra in all her glory. Come and hear my voice, come and see me acting. Well, in a nutshell, you know, it's a 3-hour performance, so you're going to get some theater. You're going to get a lot of stuff that, you know, you always say, why Destra don't put on a concert? You know, and this is a, I don't know, it may be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to do it. I don't know how it's going to go, but depending on how the vibes swing this year, maybe we'll do it again next year. But the energies feel right to do it this year.
I hope it's not a once-in-a-lifetime because through the advertisements on the radio and they're running through the catalogs and I rock back, I say Destra have real tune, you know, this catalog deep, boy.
No.
And as I really reflect on it, I say it's real songs to really put out in this concert. There's a lot of music.
Yeah, and I can't sing everything. There's songs that I left out, like Choo Choo. I left out Independent Ladies, and then the band started to say like, are you mad? You have to sing those songs.
Yeah.
So we found spaces for them, but the concert is going to be about 3 hours long. Apart from the pre-show, it's going to be nice.
Talk to me about the video, the Lucy video. Please talk to me about the video.
Lucy video. Basically, obviously, you see the character in Lucy resembles Destra.
Just resembles.
I was the canvas that they used, the inspiration to create Lucy. But you know, all that I wanted to do, I felt like I would be uncomfortable doing it on camera to be seen over and over again. So we created a character so that we could separate the personas. When I was Destra Bacchanal, when I sang Bacchanal, it was a whole different persona than Destra the person, you know? You have to separate it. So now we have Lucy, another alter ego again, but she's that cartoon character that everybody loves, that has the big boomsy, that's just rolling all over the place.
Well, let me say something. I have to voice this for, I guess for all the guys out there. There was a certain part in the video, right? When I think there was a glass break. And I can speak for a lot of guys who also share the same opinion. When that glass break, we was expecting, well, all right, cartoon turn into real life. We gears up.
Serious? That's what you was expecting?
You know, I'm telling you.
Well, you know what? Just wish fate it might happen. Wish fate now on camera. Wish fate. Wish fate. I want to see it. Wish fate.
They might not come to the concert.
No. Don't
if
worry.
they come to the concert.
You see, the thing about it is that video.
Lucy coming out for the concert?
Lucy is coming out before the carnival is over. You might get it for the concert, you might get it for Soca Monarch, who knows? But Lucy is coming to life.
So Soca Monarch, I want to know where to go. I want to know where to go to see Lucy.
Everywhere. You have to come everywhere because you never know where she'll turn up.
Talk to me about Soca Monarch. How are you feeling?
I feel confident as always, you know, because whether or not I have a good song or a song that is the people's favorite, I know I could always depend on, you know, performance and presentation, right? With the experience that I have, you know, you kind of sit back and you meditate on the song and you try to figure it out. But this year, I mean, Lucy is definitely a crowd favorite. It's easy. The rest is easy. I'm not going to say I'm going to win like everybody else because you never know what there is in store. But I wish everybody the best, and I'm going to come out with both arms fighting. So, you know, we'll see.
I hear you. On another note, that sneaker's real bad though.
Adidas.
Please.
You know I'm an Adidas girl. I got these in silver and black.
You know you're missing it. Have an Adidas with a gold and wings on it. You're missing that.
I've got it, baby.
You have it?
I've got that in gold, silver and black.
You lie.
I've got the ones with the bones. I've got those. I've got
Then-
all the Adidas you could think about. I've got them.
Queen of Bacchanal put me in my place, yes. Yo, we in the loop. Loop TT. What's up, we in the loop with the Queen of Bacchanal, Destra. Yo, stay tuned then, we're gonna catch you later.
We love you.